Good morning, hi. Welcome to another day of me cycling from Pattaya to Hanoi in northern Vietnam. I'm on day 7 right now. Gonna take you back into my cheapy hotel room from last night. Here's my bicycle. I've decided today to put the laptop computer, 5.5 kilos, together with the 4.5 kilos of mainly my clothes, toiletries, put all of that on the back of the bicycle. Wow, my back was just dying yesterday with that heavy weight on there. Yeah, a couple of things I want to show you about a cheapy hotel room. The first one is, where's the plug sockets? Where's the electrical outlets here? No electrical outlets. Now you've got one way up there, but that's really not much use. No electrical outlets until one solitary electrical outlets, and I've got 5 or 6 different devices that need charging every day, in addition to having my laptop plugged in. Now here's the biggest surprise when you get a cheapy hotel. You put the water on there, but look, it comes out here. So when you're washing your hands or cleaning your teeth, yeah, the water goes all over your feet. Also, no mirror. So I haven't bothered shaving today. I like to shave with a mirror, it's better. Anyway, that's it. Thought you'd appreciate another glance of my room there. Well, here's a point of interest, the narrowest part of Thailand. I don't know how narrow it is exactly. Perhaps you can Google that and leave it in the comments below to let us all know. There's a big parking lot here, some exercise equipment over there. And then I don't really know what's here to signify the fact that it's the narrowest part. You can ride your bicycle, I guess, up the hill to the sign over there. This probably says, welcome to the narrowest part of Thailand. And the same over here. So I'm about 10 kilometers, I guess, from the border right now of Thailand with Cambodia. So I won't film that because maybe the border guards will not be happy about anyone filming at the customs and passport control. So here you go. I'm going to spin round in a moment. All right. Google Translate says, welcome, Mr. Wild Wolf. We've been waiting for you for so long. Congratulations on making it this far and good luck for the rest of your journey. So thank you very much for that signpost in my honor. Look off in the distance over there and you can see the ocean through the trees. Probably I'd say 1 kilometer away. I've made it to Cambodia, so here I am, just crossed the border. The whole process took about 30 minutes, relatively painless. $30 US for my Cambodia 30-day visa. The first thing to know is, which I'd forgot, is I've been living in Thailand for the last 3 years, driving on that side of the road. Now Cambodia is opposite. It's a USA style here in Cambodia, and I believe Vietnam is the same. So that's going to be dangerous for me, and I've got to watch out for that. Bicycling on the wrong side of the road is not a good idea. Well, what a difference 1 kilometer makes. Thailand is 1 kilometer back there. I've only been in Cambodia for 1 kilometer. The beautiful asphalt road that I've been traveling on for the last 50, 60 kilometers has disappeared. Looks like the border town is a building site right now. So scanning around, I've got to get up there. So not much of a road to be going on. Welcome to Cambodia. Well, 5 minutes later, after pushing my bicycle up that hill, here I am. Still on the same road. I'm wary of riding down this bumpy, muddy hill because it may shake my bags off the back of the bicycle, but I'll give it a go. Ooh-wee, like I say, welcome to Cambodia. It certainly seems different to Thailand at this stage. Where's all this traffic coming from? Going into the border from the Thailand direction, there seems to be hardly any traffic at all this morning. But coming out the last 10-15 minutes now, nothing but traffic both directions. I mean, look at this big truck going past me here. Hey! You gotta laugh, hey. What a journey. Yes, excuse me while I stand by my bicycle here. Oh yeah. Happy days. As already noted, the first difference between Cambodia and Thailand is the quality of the roads. Finally, we have a concrete road here, but it's so bumpy. Anyway, hopefully it'll improve as the journey goes on. Second difference I noticed is that I thought to celebrate my arrival in Cambodia, I would treat myself to a beer. Lo and behold, they have a beer called Cambodia beer. See that? Cambodia beer. So 1 can of beer and 1 Carabao energy drink is 50 baht in Thailand. Here was $1 US, which is 32 baht. So there you go. That's a good saving. So that's a positive with Cambodia. So cheers to that. I made it to my destination for today, which is the town of Koh Kong in Cambodia. And the first thing I've noticed already is Cambodians seem very hooter friendly. They like to honk their horns a lot, whereas in Thailand, people are more polite and don't really use their hooter too much when they're driving their motorbikes or riding their cars. So here we are. I've treated myself to a better quality hotel for today. This one is called the Nathay Koh Kong Hotel. If you zoom in on the sign up there, you'll see. I treated myself, this is $20 for 1 night, which is 650 baht, which is way over my normal budget, but I need Wi-Fi. I don't have any international load yet. I need to do that, but I need internet for that. So I got good strong internet in this hotel. Gonna have a good rest this afternoon. Only did 27 kilometers today. And tomorrow I've got a, I don't know what you'd call it, but an amazing announcement or a surprise announcement for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, because something unexpected has happened, which I wasn't, obviously wasn't expecting it. And I'll announce that tomorrow.